by yourself and meet people.
That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose,
Say hi to the blessed people. We're about to go play taco.
I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I love you.
Hey, ooh.
And ooh.
Y'all don't mind this junk in the back. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. My name is Ebony. I hope you all are blessed and highly favored. Welcome back, my blessed and beautiful people. Hey y'all, so today is currently Saturday and I'm about to go out solo dolo and I am going to a Nigerian day party. I'm super excited. They had their 60th anniversary on October 1st and I think today's October 3rd. So happy birthday, Kimani. I'm so excited to, well, he's actually out of town right now for his line brother's birthday. Anyway, wedding. Anyway, but yeah, I'll be seeing him later. But I got my little fit on, y'all. And yeah, I'm a little hype right now because I have been sipping on some wine. But I'm super excited. Got a little fitty fit on. Got the green for, you know, the Nigerians. And then I'm going to be wearing these shoes right here. But yes, I'm feeling so good, y'all. Let me show you guys my best friend, sister friend. Adrisha had bought me some books and she calls these are like tools to, let me get the other one. So yeah, she surprised me and sent me 3 Amazon books. And these are like tools to help you with like mental health and things like that. And this is the first one. It's called Letters to a Young Sister, Define Your Destiny by Hill Harper. And so fine means when somebody says you're fine, you be like, baby, I am fine. Fine means fantastic, interesting, necessary, and exceptional. And then this book she got me is by Ivana, I cannot say her last name. It's called One Day My Soul Just Opened, 40 Days and 40 Nights Towards Spiritual Strength and Personal Growth. Y'all need this in y'all toolbox. And then my last one is Acts of Faith, again, by your girl. So I just want to say thank you so much, Adrisha. It's so important, y'all, to be having friends that invest in y'all mental, spiritual, personal development. It's so important to have like people that can root you on. My apartment is a mess. I'm hot. I had to turn the AC on because it's like a little, I promise you I don't have a corona. Guys, if y'all want to do stuff, you can go by yourself and meet people. But yeah, y'all can go by yourself. Nothing's wrong with that. I think honestly, I was telling Adrisha, like, so we are doing this thing where we are getting out of our comfort zone. If you want something you want to do, get out your comfort zone. Me personally, I don't have like an issue meeting new people, but I do want to, like, third quarter is make more and be intentional about making more like female friends or women friends. I do have like a lot of guy friends, which is great as long as you guys are respecting each other's boundaries, which my guy friends have no problem doing that. I'm about to take you guys along with me. Peace. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently at the place. It's at the garden right now, and it's like, I think, what time is it? It is currently 6 o'clock. It started from like 4 to 9. And I'm just like parking, kind of try to, like, you know, feel out the scene, especially since I'm solo dolo. I just want to make sure the scene is pretty good. It looks a little light in there. The music is bumping though. So let me show y'all. Let me flip it over. Hey y'all, so I just got my hair done. As you can see, it turned out super cute. I love it a lot. Ooh, look, sis, look at
folks. Why do we do this? This light that's above.
what is she? Hold on. But yeah, so hey y'all, so I'm about to get some Korean fried chicken from this place called Bonchon. Y'all, like, it's gonna bring me back so many memories of when I went to Seoul, Korea with Hayoung. And no, I did not post that video on YouTube But I probably should actually, but I'm so excited. The people on the phone was like so sweet, and they say this fried chicken is really good, so we're gonna try it to see if it's just as good as the fried chicken I had in Korea, because Hayoung like was raving about this fried chicken and saying it was like really good. So we gonna see. I'll let y'all know the verdict and show y'all the chicken when I get there. Oh, here goes Easy Like Sunday. I've been meaning to go here. That's cute. And then across is like Shake Shack. And then I don't know the other place, but this little area is so cute. But there goes Bunchon Korean fried chicken. Hello, your pickup, Ebony. Hey y'all, so today is currently Thursday and I am finally making headway on cleaning up my apartment. I currently got like some loads of laundry in and slowly like but surely organizing and getting myself together. But yeah, I'm still working right now. I have about 2 hours left of work, I think. Let me see, what time is it? 3. Yes, I have 2 more hours left of work. And I'm just multitasking. I'm about to probably dig into these clothes down at the bottom. But yeah, so work is actually going really good, y'all. I am currently, we're ramping up for our first fall event this coming next Friday, which is pretty good. But I'm excited. My hair, you guys, is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love my braids so much. These are like butt length braids, and I've never got this length in ever. Actually, I never get butt length. I always get like bra strap length because I always thought it was professional, blah blah blah. But I'm really liking this. It's like my fall protective style. But yeah, so I am finishing. But yeah, I need to finish cleaning up my place. I'm about to finish cleaning up my place, and my friends are coming well, actually, Rye's coming today, and then my other friend, Manny, he's coming tomorrow. So I just need to make sure I finish cleaning up and getting everything, like towels and all that, you know, being very hospitable. That's like something I really actually love doing, is being hospitable. So I am going to finish doing that. Actually, I think I'm gonna wear this today. Yeah, because it's kind of a little chilly, a little nippy outside. Actually, no, actually feels really good. It's like in the high 70s. I'm rambling, but yeah, y'all, I have been doing really good. I think I have done with it. I don't know if I do or not. Oh, you guys, key tip for skincare. I've been using turmeric and honey on my skin, and it has been so amazing. So I've done like 2 to 3 days now, and look, like this, and I just lather it on my face. I keep it on there for about like 20 minutes or so, and then I take it. I'm hungry. Then I take it off, and then I wash my face with black soap, because it does leave like an orange residue on your face. I'm gonna eat an apple. Eat an apple. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. That's so good. Oh, that's really good. Eat apple and take your vitamins and your iron pills. Especially during this time, it's really important to take your iron pills. So, yeah, I'm going to finish cleaning up. Oh my god, y'all, so out with the old, in with the new. I just ended up selling my rug from my apartment. I had that rug for about like 3-4 years now, and I just ended up selling it off of Facebook Marketplace. If you don't know, now you know. Like, get up on that Facebook Market page. Get on that Facebook Market page bread, y'all. Seriously, like stuff that you don't want, flip it and sell it on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know if it's really a flip, it's just not going to waste, and you just at least get some money back. But I'm finished cleaning up my place. Oh, also I'm selling here. Ooh la la, I'm selling this dress. It's a misguided dress, bodycon. selling it. I love purple, but I don't always have to wear purple. But yeah, I'm selling that too.
What are you doing?
Y'all look at Rye.
Stop.
She's about to do this workout.
Don't be hating on
Look
me.
at my new house guest, y'all.
What you got me on?
This is my YouTube. Say hi to the blessed people.
I don't want to on your YouTube.
Say hi to
I'm
the
sitting
best
my lawyer
people.
real quick.
Whatever. Y'all, look at my candle. I got this from Target. It's lavender lemonade. It smells fine, but it could be a lot stronger. Yeah.
Stop.
That's my new house guest, y'all. So I had to clean up, and then I got her a wash towel and wash stuff on the side for her. And yeah, I just cleaned up my place. I still got a little bit more cleaning and washing to do, but yeah, that's it. Okay.
Stop.
All right, y'all. So I'm currently at American Pub. The music may be cutting me off. I don't know, but I got my drink. You get it with Imani. But yeah, we're out there. My kickball game got canceled because of the rain, but it's not raining now, but it's probably gonna rain later. And then I'm heading to Topgolf later. But yeah, I had a really good week. Probably need to change this. I'll talk to y'all after this because I don't want to get copyright from everything. Oh my gosh. Hey y'all. So another day, another adventure. I'm currently at Topgolf right now, and as you can see, it is pouring raining outside, and I am waiting for the rain to stop, or at least slow down so I can go inside and not get wet. But yeah, we're at Topgolf. I'm with like Manny, well, waiting for Manny and his friends here, and we're about to go play Topgolf. And well, actually last time I did Topgolf was last year for my birthday. Got my little Target fit that Rye likes to say that I like to dress like I'm going to Target. But okay, Target is cute too. You know, be comfortable, ladies. Nothing's wrong with that. And I got my glasses on because I don't feel like poking my eye again. But I have like a mild breakout on the side here. We're gonna have to figure that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, like I just been having a good time. But after that, I am definitely going home to see my family and then chilling the freak out. Like, I need to chill out. I need to stop spending money, going places and doing things. So, oh, the rain stopped. So I'm about to go inside. Taking myself out to eat, doing a quick little mukbang, you know. Okay, let's try this. Oh man, it's like scorching hot. Yes. Oh, thank you. Oh, so good.